mcGathey, CrossFit Chicago Heights, lesson 4, logistics. So I've got our drawing, but I feel it's better to show you. So coming in, we've got a few things that are immovable. So we've got our GHD, we've got a squat rack here, we've got some dumbbells, and then we've got our GHDs, we have a ski erg, and then over on the other side we have our bikes and rowers. And then anything past this blue line is basically workout space. So we've got our rig on this side. We've got 5 squat racks across there. We've got our wall ball shots there and on the wall. And then we've got some pull-up bars. So we have 5 pull-up bars and then 2 yokes so that we have some more squat racks there. Up in front, we've got our wall balls boxes, some kettlebells, Coach Kevin. But for our workout today, we've got the 4 rounds of 100-foot overhead walking lunges, 30 box jumps, 20 wall balls, and then 10 handstand push-ups. So to do this, I'm assuming 20 people. And the way that we're going to do it is we're going to adjust it a little bit. We're going to do walking lunges and wall balls, and then we're going to do box jumps, handstand push-ups. So we're taking it out of order a little bit just so that we don't get clogged up on the walls. So we have 16 wall ball places, but we can make up to 22 if we move some things around. So move the rowers, move the GHDs. Same thing, handstand push-ups. We have 17, but we can make up to 23. And the reason for that is we have windows, which you can do a handstand push-up at, but you can't do a wall ball. We've got the weights on the walls over there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but we've got some weights and bars hanging there. And then our rig, some spots, we've left it so that that it's open, and then some spots we kept, like for stability, we kept the bar there, so you can't do a handstand or you can't do a wall ball, but you can do a handstand push-up. So the way we're going to do it, we're going to have boxes down the middle for our box jumps, and so they're going to be close to each other. So almost like you could have 2 people jumping at each other, just with a little bit of space. But we're going to space them out so that you can walk between them, so that the walking lunges can go sideways. This is 25 feet across, so that's 4 trips altogether. So if we had 5 boxes down that side, 5 boxes down this side, you've got 10, and you should be good. If we need to add a couple more, just because people are sharing different sized boxes or something like that, we'll have enough space to do that. For the handstand push-ups, anybody who is doing handstand push-ups on the wall, which we won't have a ton of them, they will make sure that they're doing handstand push-ups in a spot that is handstand push-up, and you can't do a wall ball there first. All right, so some people will be sharing spots, like with wall ball and handstand push-ups, but first go to a spot like underneath a window where you can't do a wall ball, and then we'll get our wall ball spots in place. Handstand push-ups, if you're doing them on the wall, great. If not, we're doing pike push-ups. We're not going to put our feet on our box today just because we're already using it, and logistically it probably wouldn't work out very well. So you're going to be doing pike push-ups with feet on the ground, and if we need to make it a little bit harder, then we're going to put 1 foot in the air and you're doing that pike push-up. So that's how we would run this class today. Have a good week.